Thanks for joining me on another quick Suburban shed adventure. Today we're going to take a look at my daughter's high chair, which comes with these cheap plastic office chair wheels that broke off shortly after using it. We like having wheels on it, so I'm going to put some new ones on. So first step, I found some nice caster wheels, and I used those to make a template to cut out the base plate of the mounting bracket. Once I had all the base plates cut out, I used some steel tube to get the angle correct to be able to mount those brackets so the feet sit level to the floor. A little trick that I show here is that if you need two things of the same angle and you're cutting it out of a piece of pipe, you don't need to cut the angle twice. Just cut the angle once and then use the other side and cut it straight. To attach the bracket to the high chair itself, I took the posts and drilled and tapped them with a 1/4-20 so I could put a bolt in to hold them in place. Once all the holes were tapped, I then used a wire wheel on my angle grinder to clean up all the parts to prep for welding. I then used my flux core welder to weld the posts to the base plate of the mounting bracket. Once all the welds were complete, I used a flapper wheel and a wire wheel on my angle grinder to clean up the welds. Once they were all clean, I used a step drill to clean up the holes. I then used 1/4-20 bolts with nylock nuts to secure the casters to the bracket. Once they were assembled, I installed them on the high chair with the 1/4-20 bolts, and they work great. Thanks for joining me on this Suburban shed adventure, and we'll see you next time.